All right, Paul Kim here, and in this video, we're going to be talking about some new features rolling out with GoHighLevel. And in this specific video, we're going to be talking about utilizing custom variables to create WhatsApp templates and also utilizing them in actions, triggers and actions within the workflow. All right, so let's get right to the video. All right, so we are on our newly created WhatsApp business account and we're going to go to templates. Before I create a template, I just want to let you know that for this demonstration, I'm not going to go ahead and submit this template, but all templates submitted has to be approved by Meta and WhatsApp. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go and create the template. And so this is where you put your name. There are two types of categories of templates. Utility are utility messages are typically those that include certain transaction types. So let's say you're sending a template with changes in your transaction or your account has been terminated and things like that. So utility messages are those type of messages. Marketing are any type of outside of that, which it can be any promotional in nature, uh, maybe newsletter type of messages. So anything marketing or promotional related is going to be categorized as such. You go ahead and put your language. In this case, for me, it will be English. And then as you can see here, headers and footers, those are optional. And of course, you put the body here. Okay, so let's just say you are you're putting a header. In this case, we want to add a variable here. And let's say you want to send a message saying, say, hey, um, to your contact first name, right? So you would click on this and set your variable as the first name here. And you will put in here a sample content so that you can actually visually see it here, as you can see. And so in this case, we're going to put in here, let's just say John, right? And so as you can see here, it says, hey, John, how are you doing, right? And then in the body here, you can also put in here a sample message. You can say, let's just say, for example, you want to put in a promotional code. So here is your promotional code, right? Code, let's just say 2023 holiday, right? Your code uh, expires. Let's just put in here. Let's assume that you have a custom variable. So you would add a variable here and you will go into here, custom variable. I don't have a specific date. Let me just go and find one here that maybe I have a date, maybe. Let's just go and I think I have one here. Let's just put in a date here. Let's just assume and then I'll put in a sample date of 12/31/23, and as you can see, it shows up right here as well. Okay, now here, footer is optional, but I would definitely recommend that you put in here um, reply, stop to unsubscribe. So as a matter of courtesy and you just want to put that there and then set some sort of a trigger that would automatically unsubscribe them from any messaging, WhatsApp messaging. And so I'm not going to create here just because I don't want to submit this template here. But we'll go and show you how to use custom variables in within um, uh, triggers and actions. So here on the screen, I have actually created a blank new workflow here. And this is how you create a trigger. So let's just say you click on trigger here and the reply channel is going to be WhatsApp. So we're going to put in here a uh, reply, let's just say customer reply here. And in here, you would add a filter here under reply channel. And you will find WhatsApp right here. And then if you want to put in some other filters, you can do that. But for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to save this trigger. So now that you have a trigger, let's put in your action, your first action or an action based on a certain trigger. So here you will put in a WhatsApp. You would send a WhatsApp message here. And in this case, if you have any templates that has been approved, you will see it here. Now you can also send a manual text here, as you can see, and this is where you can put in your custom variable. So let's just say that you want to put in here, hello. Let's put the contact's first name, and then we'll just put in here, this is to confirm your appointment. Okay. Very simple WhatsApp message going out saying this is to confirm your appointment. All right. So there you go. That is how you set your triggers and your actions using custom variables. All right, so as you can see, there's so much that you can do with WhatsApp and within GoHighLevel utilizing custom variables. I think this is going to have so much impact that's going to help a lot of businesses out there utilizing WhatsApp within GoHighLevel. So I hope this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you next time in the next GoHighLevel feature update. Okay, bye now.